Dear students, today we talk about environmental studies. Unit 4, Environmental Awareness and Legislations. First of all, I will take environmental movements. Environmental movements are green movements are defined as a social movement for the conservation of the environment or for the improvement of the state policy towards environment. Many environmental movements took place successfully and effectively, proving how mass movement can save the atrocities against the environment. Some of the well known environmental movements in India are Chipko movements, Appiko movements, and Narmada Bachao Andolan. So, some of the well known environmental movements in India are Chipko movements, Appiko movement, and Narmada Bachao Andolan. First one now, Chipko movements. The Chipko movement is the most popular people's movement against deforestation in the hilly region of the Tehri Garhwal district of Uttaranchal. So, the Chipko movement is the most popular people's movement against deforestation. It began in Uttarakhand, then a part of Uttar Pradesh in 1972. It is a non-violent social and ecological movement by rural villages, particularly women, aimed at protecting trees. The movement originated in the Himalayan region of Uttar Pradesh, later became Uttarakhand, and quickly spread throughout the country. Chipko in Hindi literally means to hug. Next one now Sundarlal Bahuguna, born on 9th June 1927, died recently on 21st May 2021, was the leader of Chipko movement. Sundarlal and the local women would chain themselves around the trees so that loggers could not cut the trees down. Initiation of Chipko movement is the climaxing of long standing conflict on the extraction of forest resources between the contractor, bureaucrat, combine, and common people in general. The Chipko movement, in its evolution of 5 years, declared in 1977 that the main products of the forest are soil, water, and oxygen, and not the timber as conventionally understood by the foresters. The women of Garhwal created the Chipko slogan. So that is the what does the forest bear? Soil, water and pure air. Soil, water and pure air are the basis of life. The importance of forest as the source of soil and water has been undermined due to the commercialization of forest during the last 100 years in India. The Chipko movements of Uttara Pradesh hills brought a wide general consciousness about the importance of conserving forests and the trees for the development. Even today, the Chipko movement is still working to protect the trees through the same peaceful, non-violent method. Second one, Appiko movement. The success of Chipko movements of Uttarakhand in the Himalayas inspired the villagers of Uttara Kannada district of Karnataka. The villagers of Sirasi taluk of Uttara Kannada raised their voice against the illegal cutting of natural forests to plant commercial species of eucalyptus and teak. In Kannada, it came to be known as it came to be known as Appiko Cheluli and succeeded in stopping mercilessly cutting down of trees in forest. The popular slogan of Appiko movement is to save, to grow, and to use rationally. That means ulisu, save, ಬೆಳೆಸು, grow, and ಬಳಸು, rational use. Appiko, that is the hugging of the trees movement, started by Panduranga Eggade in September 1983 at Solanki village near Sirasi in the Uttara Kannada district. This movement started to protest against illegal cuttings of trees, monoculture, forest policy, and deforestation has succeeded in changing the forest policy. This first ever people's green movement in South India to save our natural resources had become a model of sustainable development. The Appiko movement has created awareness among villagers throughout the Western Ghats about the ecological destructions of forest wealth. So, third one is the Narmada Bachao Andolan (NBA). Narmada Bachao Andolan is an Indian social movement headed by the native tribals, farmers, environmentalists, and human rights activities against huge dam projects across the Narmada River, which flows through the state of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra. Sardar Sarovar Dam in Gujarat is one of the biggest dams and it is part of the Narmada Dam project, whose main aim is to provide irrigation and electricity to people of the above states. The movement under the able leadership of Medha Patkar was very active in creating awareness about the plight of thousands of poor peoples displaced by the constructions of huge Sardar Sarovar Dam across the River Narmada. So was Meda Patkar. The reservoir thus created as a submerged vast areas of land in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and parts of Gujarat. Hundreds of villages have submerged underwater. Many leading personalities like Baba Amte, Arundhati Roy, etc., joined their hands to support this movement. The main objective of NBA: no dams on Narmada rivers, proper rehabilitation and resettlement of the people, preservation of environment and ecosystem. The slogan of NBA is the Narmada Bachao, Manav Bachao, Ladenge Jeetenge, will fight and win. The focus of the movement: saving the flora and the fauna, rehabilitation of the poor people living around the area. It is a 32-year long movement which started to protect the environment as well as shelter for lakhs of people living at the banks of river Narmada under the leadership of socialists like Meda Patkar and Baba Amte. Together, they led a series of protests since 1989. So, was Baba Amte. Any clarification, any doubts? Send me the messages. Thank you.